Remove the protective cover from the inverter. You can see that the inverter includes a C input and a C output, PV positive and negative terminals, and battery positive and negative terminals. Connect the load line to the neutral and live wires of the AC output, and confirm the connection is secure. This is the standard connection cable that comes with our batteries. It's 1.5 meters long and very thick, capable of handling higher current and voltage. Then connect the cable to the DC interface on the inverter, paying attention to the corresponding positive and negative terminals of the battery. Corresponding to the positive and negative terminals of the battery. Then prepare the network communication cable between the battery and the inverter, which is also included as standard equipment with the battery. Connect the communication cable to the RS485 interface of the inverter and battery. Then put the lid back on. Turn on battery power. You can see basic battery information on the touchscreen, including voltage, current, and specific SOC capacity. Turn on the inverter switch and the inverter will start working. To begin setting up the inverter, press and hold the Enter key for 3 seconds to enter the settings interface. The number in the middle indicates the page number. First, navigate to page 5 to set the type of battery connected to the inverter. Our battery is a solid-state lithium-ion battery. Press Enter to enter and set it as a lithium-ion battery. Then, navigate to page 37 to set the inverter's BMS switch. Press Enter to enter the BMS page and turn the BMS switch on. Keep the BMS in the on state. Finally, press the ESC key to exit. Now you can see battery information on the inverter screen, including battery type and voltage. Click on the protocol interface on the battery to configure the battery's communication protocol. You'll see many mainstream communication protocols including GROET, PACE Modbus, Pylon, and Voltronic. If you need to set a new communication protocol, you can click to enter the password 123456 to modify it. Once all settings are complete, you can now see the battery information displayed on the inverter, such as the battery's 49% SOC, which will also appear on the inverter.